In this video, we are going to learn the most important aspect of the manufacturing company, and that is dealing with the assemblies or manufacturing part. As you can see here, from 15th January, we start producing the items. Before on sheet 1, we have entered the bill of material, which is a recipe management system, which basically forms a bridge between the raw materials and the finished goods. So when we set that recipe, how much quantity does it take to produce one shirt? This is the recipe for it. So following the same recipe, whenever the shirts are assembled, let's say 4,000 shirts, it will automatically deduct the raw materials in the same proportion as we mentioned in the recipe. So let's see how we can build those. In the inventory and services, we click on the assemblies. In the inventory and services, we click on the assemblies and click on build new assembly. Here we just select the item, which is shirts. As you can see here, we don't have any quantity in the finished goods. We haven't produced anything yet. So finished goods 1, which is shirts. I want to build this. And the recipe for this is mentioned at the back end. We have the quantities shown right here. We have 8,000 cloth A, 15,000 bukram we have, and all of these. But we are building on 15th of January. So let's put 15th of January here, 15th January. And as you can see, now the quantities has increased. Before, when we enter 1st of January, it was showing 8,000. But now, since the manufacturing date is 15th of January, it will automatically calculate what raw materials were bought before that date. And it increases the quantity on hand. And that's a very important thing, guys. Sometimes people face this problem that we are trying to manufacture thing, but it's showing the error that you don't have enough quantity. Maybe that you are entering the wrong date. So we have to check that. And we can mention the reference as MR manufacturing run 001. And the quantity that we want to build here is 4,000. 4,000. So automatically quantity required will be calculated. Press tab. And as you can see, quantity required to be deducted from cloth A to manufacture the shirts is 8,000 meters. Why? Because one shirt required 2 meters. So 4,000 shirts will require 8,000 meters of cloth. And it follows through all the recipe just like that. As you can see, it's very interesting to manufacture this. Just save this and we will manufacture each item one by one. Click on save. Next one we have is pants. Let's build pants here. And as you can see, when we check the list, 4,000 is shown in the shirts. So let's select pants. And again, just check the date first. 15th of January, manufacturing reference 002. And we want to build 4,000 pants as well. Quantity required is automatically calculated. Click save. Next we have is again shirts assembled on 20th of January. Select shirts, 20th of January. Manufacturing run 3. 3,000 is the quantity. It will automatically calculate the quantity required. Click save. The fourth one we have is pants assembled. Again on 20th of January. This is manufacturing run 4 and we want the quantity of 2,000 pants. It will automatically calculate the quantity required. All set. Click save. And that's how we run the manufacturing process. Click on reports and click on components use list, or you can check all the reports from here. So that's how you can manufacture the items in Sage. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.